Since you ask me, my lords, to sing, then I will sing. But when I think to sing, I weep. At the hour I try the thing. You'll rarely see a stinger. He sings well if ill winds bring. Does love go badly for me? Better than ever by spring. So why do I despairing cling? Great good and great honor I know that God gives me. I love the most beautiful, and she loves me that I see. But I am here elsewhere, and I don't know how she may be. This kills me with sorrow, for I have no opportunity to come to her frequently. Yet it pleases me so much when I remember her face, that whoever shouts or yells at me, I hear nothing in that place. So sweetly does the beautiful one draw my heart from its space, that some say I am here, and I think it, and I embrace that I don't see her eyes as grace. Love, and what will I do if I ever heal with you? Now I think I will die of the desire that comes through if the beautiful one, where she lies, does not place me near her too, so I may touch her and kiss her, and hold against me close and true her body white, smooth and new. I never tire of loving for any pain or any care. And when God does me good, I don't refuse it or swear. And when good does not happen to me, I know how to suffer the snare. For sometimes it is fitting that men go far to repair, to leap further, higher there. Good lady, have mercy on your faithful lover's plea. With folded hands and bent knee, I give myself and command me to thee. And I pledge to you in good faith, I never loved anything so dearly, you see. And if the chance comes, make fair semblance to me, for I have great desire, wild and free. My scooter and me, may God give heart and desire, that we both go as beggars, you see. And he takes with him that which he desires most, and I take Manasiman.